Wait, let me pin this comment. So Sel, the problem with you is you don't follow me. You're a complete loser and you didn't hear what I said. I said that there was an Amber Alert for a national weather emergency, okay? And it was actually called an emergency alert, dumbass, okay? Thank you. Don't ever try to come for me again when you're in my own live. Emergency alert for weather. I would never disrespect anyone's child that's missing. Are you out of your mind? You people look for everything to try to make into something.
Right.
Pathetic.
And you didn't listen to the joke. We said arc.
Yeah, Alex, I definitely said the wrong thing.
It's a flood.
I know that Amber Alert was the wrong terminology, but I got an alert on my phone, you guys, okay? I'm not the 1, 2, or the 3. I'm so sick of people trying to twist my words around. Get a grip on
Give us
reality.
some grace, y'all. We were in a plane all day.
I'm just not putting up with anybody.
Right.
Uh-uh.
Oh, dear.
You don't even follow me. What are you doing here? Go away.